he recording cars as they're coming out of there?
Yeah, it is.
Let's take his phone off him and let's seize it. Evidence.
Evidence of what?
Hey, it's
Evidence
a
of
security
what?
breach, buddy, okay? I'm not having you see phone in my car.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Right, off the side.
Can I have my phone?
No, seize his evidence, okay? You're not recording my car as I come
No
out
one
of
was
there.
recording your car.
Yes, you are.
Can I have my phone back,
car.
please?
No.
I was just
Off
free
the
to go.
side.
The search is complete.
Yeah?
The search is complete.
You
Can I
are
have my
not
phone
filming
back?
my car as
Give
I
me
come
my
out.
phone back
no,
and I'll
it's a
leave.
security breach.
Give me my
It's
phone and I'll leave.
You are
Give me my
putting a
phone and
risk
I'll
of
leave.
me and
Give
my
me my
family.
phone and I'll leave.
No, it's seized.
Give me my phone and
all
I'll
right?
leave.
This guy's got your details. I'm not having it.
All right, give me my phone and I'll leave.
You won't give us all his details, yeah?
You won't
Give me
give
my
me
phone and I
details.
will leave.
No. Right, let's talk first of it, shall we?
You need a court order to delete stuff. Why are you seizing? Why are you
Right, my name's Peachy
What's wrong
Sanders,
with-
Hampshire Police, alright? As you know already, my phone
Please
number's
give me my phone back.
3099. No.
I haven't
You're
recorded
seizing-
anyone's
you're
number plate, by the way.
You are
I've
recording my
recorded
number.
you.
You record.
The video opens mid-chaos, instantly pulling the viewer into a confrontation where police and security appear alarmed by a camera already rolling. Within seconds, accusations of recording vehicles escalate into the filmer's phone being physically taken, justified vaguely with words like evidence and security breach, yet no clear offense or law is explained, setting a powerful tone of confusion, authority, and immediate tension that hooks the audience from the very first moment.
No, I
My
did
number plate as I
not.
come
No, I
out.
did not.
Alright?
Give me my phone back.
No, it's
Give me
seized.
my phone back.
Seized as evidence.
You were not the searching
Right.
officer. You can't just seize my phone like that.
I can.
Can you please step in and say something?
I
You
can.
can't just seize it like that.
I
Under
can
what?
seize it.
You
I'm
do
a policeman, I
what?
can seize it, right? Right?
19.
What do you want from me? I need my phone back or I
No.
can't get home.
No. You've been here lots of times.
No, I have never been
This
here
time is the
before.
first time you recorded
I've
my.
never been here
you've been
before.
recording
I've
cars
never
coming
been
out,
here before.
Right? Mate, you
I
can give
wasn't
these
recording
guys.
anyone's.
You can give these guys details if you like. You ought to, because I know who to book this phone under the property of. It'll get booked into the property here. All right. Once you've given them your details, once it gets deleted, off you can have it back.
You can't delete it without a court order. You'll be sued if you seize my phone like this. It's
Seized?
completely
We're
unlawful.
going round and roundabouts here.
300.
The officer has
What power has he used? What power has he
Section 19
used?
of plates, I'm assuming.
Well, you haven't used it. You've just taken it off me.
Yeah,
Can you
but
please
it's-
give me my
it's a
phone back?
security risk.
I'm
You
allowed
record
to
it.
film all I like.
No,
Understand
you're not.
that?
No, you're not. You're on private property.
Right, he's not going to give it back.
Why did you not seize it then?
Because I didn't want to at the time, but he has, and he can do that.
Yeah,
You just
but
stepped in
record-
and others. You're behaving like a
because-
tyrant.
No,
You're
you
behaving
came out
like
of
a
here,
tyrant.
recorded my vehicle, my
I
registration
didn't
number.
record your
You
vehicle.
don't have
You
a
did.
choice. You can either give the official details so we can return the phone to you at some point, or you
I
can't.
want my phone back now.
What's
No.
going to happen?
Why?
Because you're here
You're behaving like a
recording
tyrant.
our
Okay.
vehicles.
As the exchange continues, the pressure intensifies, with officers claiming the filmer has been there before and suggesting the phone could be treated as property and the footage deleted, prompting the filmer to push back calmly but firmly, asserting his right to film and warning that deletion without a court order would be unlawful, transforming the encounter from a misunderstanding into a direct legal standoff between state power and individual rights.
Coming out of that car park.
Let's not argue about it. He has seized it under a power. All right, so you have
What
a choice.
power? You didn't
Section
lose
19
it.
of pace.
Well, you took it off me first, and now you're saying section 19 of
Are
pace.
you going to provide your details so the phone can be
So
returned?
this is how we're treating members of the public now, yeah?
When you're recording our vehicles coming out here, yes.
What can I do with your vehicle, mate? What can I do with your
Don't get straight
registration?
into this.
What can I do with your
Are you going to
registration?
provide your details to the officers to return that phone to you at another day? Yes or no?
Why can't I have my phone now?
Because he seized it, we told you why.
You're
you
loving
gonna-
this, aren't you?
Are you
No,
going to do that or
I'm not. I didn't have
What
to
do
be
you
in
want
this
from me?
position.
What do you want
I
from
want
me?
that footage deleted off of this phone.
Right, pass it here and I'll delete it.
Now, give me that thing, I'll delete it, and then I'll give you your phone back.
That's not how it's going to work.
Right, then, it's getting
Give
booked
it to
in
me and
the
I'll
property.
delete it.
I'm going to go and book it in the property
Book it in
now.
the property. Book it in the property then. Let's do it properly.
No, I'm just taking his phone off him. I'm booking it in the property. He's recording my car coming out the car park with the registration. Fuck it.
Situation reaches a critical breaking point when an officer openly proposes deleting the footage in exchange for returning the phone, a statement that fundamentally alters the gravity of the encounter as the filmer refuses outright. exposing the underlying attempt to control the narrative and silence the camera, and leaving the confrontation unresolved but deeply charged as the phone remains seized.
1 week later.
Station, I'm just coming here to collect my phone that was seized last Friday, which would have been the 29th of October. Today's Thursday, the 4th of November, so I since made a complaint. You may have seen it on the community post. I might put a graphic on the screen. But it just basically kind of explaining what had gone on, what had happened, the events leading up to my phone being seized. So Sergeant got in touch with me, Sergeant Duke. He said, yeah, I got an email yesterday, he said, yeah, come get your phone. Monday to Friday between 8 and half 5, so I'm here, I'm gonna get my phone. The reference number I need to cite is actually on the email, so I'll probably stop the recording and pick it back up, so yeah, just bear with me. Be at the desk. Inconveniently for me, the property desk actually opens at 1:30, the time's now like 10 to 1. So part of me wants to go do an audit now, but listen, you can't slip when doing these audits. Like next time I'm not going to give them the opportunity to seize my stuff. I'm going to go there with a body worn video strapped in, maybe like a GoPro. Like, I'm taking this seriously now, man. No more of this little dilly-dally and messing about, just going there with the personal phone. Like, I should have really learnt my lesson by now. But, you know, when you go on 3, 4, 5, 6 audits consecutive and, you know, it goes quite well, you start to get complacent. You start to think that you can get away with not tightening up your operational security as you should. So, yeah, part of me wants to go do this audit whilst I wait till 1:30. I've got about 40 minutes. But at the same time, I know it's probably not a good idea given what happened last time. So that's the situation. Just bear with whilst we you're not gonna have to bear nothing, but I'll pick this back up. Standing in was right here.
Week later, the scene shifts to the police station where the filmer returns not in anger but with purpose, explaining that a formal complaint has already been submitted and reflecting on the importance of operational awareness, acknowledging complacency while signaling a more strategic approach going forward, turning the incident into a lesson rather than a defeat and reframing the narrative around accountability.
This is the spot that I was searched. As I say, that PC Solly said that his car was in shot of my camera or something, which it definitely wasn't. I was here filming officers and he just kind of took it upon his own accord to come snatch the phone from my hand. Didn't cite any legislation. I was stood right here. He didn't cite any legislation. He just said, yeah, I'm seizing it. And then he asked me to unlock and delete it. And then the DS cited section 19 of PACE for the reason for them seizing it. And they all looked a bit jolly. Yeah, they all looked a bit jolly, you know. Well, like once they come and seize the phone, yeah, they looked a bit happy about that. But anyway, section 19 of PACE, they need to suspect that the phone can be used in the commission of an offence. I don't think that any one of the officers could have reasonably suspected that, as I was free to leave. So obviously the phone was just seized to inconvenience me. It was done maliciously. There was no objective reasoning. There was no reason for my phone to be seized other than the fact that they wanted to spite me. So good job. I'm back now. 6 days later, I'm getting the phone. I'm getting paid. So yeah. And whilst I'm here, I'm gonna go audit another police station, maybe Portswood police station. So yeah, I'm gonna sue as well. So obviously, I'm always getting the last laugh with this stuff. But anyway, I'll pick it back up once I got the phone. This is my phone that was seized last Friday.
Standing at the exact location where the phone was taken. The filmer reconstructs the incident step by step, highlighting how the device was seized without legislation being cited at the time and later justified under Section 19 of PACE, arguing that the legal threshold was never met since he was free to leave, shifting the story decisively from emotional grievance to a reasoned claim of unlawful and malicious seizure.
Sergeant Duke said it was available for collection.
Dot the I's and cross the T's with the
Of course.
I'm just going to grab a receipt for you to see.
Yeah, that's no problem. This lady's very lovely, so I don't want to record her. Because bless her, she's been well nice. So you're going to refrain from recording her. Obviously, I want to speak to a sergeant or someone. Like, I'm going to ask at the front desk if that's going to be. What happened to you? Your phone got stolen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my phone got stolen as well. Yeah, I just got stolen out here. I was literally right here.
Mine was stolen last night.
No way.
6.
No way. Luckily, I'm getting it back now though. But then mine was stolen too. Yeah. I'll pick it back up. Alright, so I've just got to sign this form.
To sign
Collector's signature, yeah?
Yes, please.
Yeah, and my name?
Print your name there.
Yeah.
I'm just holding it for you.
Yeah, please excuse the recording, it's just part of my address.
Yes, just put your address on there for me.
Yeah. No, thank you. Sorry, this is all a bit messy, but forgive me.
That's fine. I'm just writing that I've ID'd you via our computer system.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine.
Alright, so...
Oh, that's it there, is it?
Yeah.
Excellent, yeah, looks as it was.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. You've been most helpful, thank you. Bye. Oh, it actually turned on. I thought it wouldn't have battery. But let's see if anything's been deleted. And then we're going to see if we can get some answers from the sergeant or something. So just bear with. I'm so impatient.
So then how can I get the crime information?
Only a second now. A few moments later. Oh wow, I did have battery. Alright. See if anything's been deleted.
Even if it's a PDF.
No, it doesn't look like it. So this is that PC Soli.
What do you mean?
Yeah, see this guy here? See this little Jobsworth here? Yeah, this guy. I was actually left running for a little bit.
Give me my phone and I'll leave. Give me my phone and I'll leave. Give me my phone and I'll leave. Give me my phone.
Anyway, we're going to see if we can get some answers from a Sergeant Duke or something, so just bear with me. Never in my life have I ever felt so stuff, but anyway, I need to watch that back. I'm glad I got the phone though, plenty of footage. We're going to see if we can speak to the Sergeant. So yeah, just kind of stand by.
Tension peaks again as the phone is finally returned at the station, with the filmer carefully checking whether any footage has been deleted, only to find the recordings intact. A quiet but powerful reversal where the very evidence officers attempted to control survives, turning what was meant to inconvenience and intimidate into documented proof of the encounter.
Oh, I'm not interested in recording you. I want to speak to Sergeant Duke.
Sergeant Duke?
Yes, please. He's aware of who I am. He sent me an email saying that I could come and collect my phone.
Yeah.
So if you could make any sort of relevant inquiries, that'd be great. One sec. So they just gave the lady my name. Just gonna see if I can speak with this sergeant. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of go from there really. See what's happening with the complaint. See if the complaint's gonna be upheld. I mean, fair play to him. He did say in the email that he made the phone available for collection before the outcome of the complaint. So yeah, fair play. I'll tell him fair play. I don't know if he was the guy that was there last week. If it was that same sergeant, then not fair play. But hold on. Because yeah, the sergeant that was there last week, he was aware. He will be watching this as well. He was aware of auditors and stuff, and he was claiming that the IOPC audit them and investigate them all the time. And we were arguing about whether the IOPC was really independent or not. He claims it was. He said auditing was he just said it was like pointless and stuff, and that it didn't hold any sort of value or jurisdiction. But we're proving it does. I'm proving it does. So I'll be interested to see if it's that same sergeant, because he had lots of opinions. He was in uniform, but he had lots of opinions, lots of stuff to say about what we were doing and stuff. So yeah, we'll pick it back up.
Or is
It's regarding the complaint, yeah.
Okay, no, that's fine. So basically what he's advised me to tell you is that professional standards are dealing with your complaint.
Professional standards, is it?
Yes, yeah.
Interesting.
So professional standards are dealing with your complaint and they'll be in touch with you very soon.
Right.
If it's another matter that you need to discuss with him, he said if I take your number, he will contact you later.
Okay, alright, I'll give you the number now.
And what's it regarding? Is it just another...
I just know, it is regarding that matter, but I just want to kind of know like the processes, what's going on, have those officers in question been kind of reprimanded, what's going on with that. I want to kind of explain my version of events and just see if he's got anything to say.
Okay, no, that's fine. I'll pass your number on. If he can't get you by mobile, have you got an email address that he can get you on?
He's got my email address.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Leave that with me. And
Thanks so much.
See you later.
Take care. Okay, so he doesn't want to talk now. Apparently the complaint's gone to professional standards. So interesting. Clearly they feel that internally there was some misconduct or otherwise. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, whilst I was sat there waiting, I've been watching this video, man. This video. These Muppets, man. You lot were laughing. You were proper jolly when you took the phone. Look, I got the phone back, baby. I got the phone back. This is going on YouTube, and I'm gonna get paid, and I'm gonna sue, and I'm gonna get paid again. And whatever. Signing out. Peace.
Video closes with confirmation that the complaint has been escalated to professional standards, a development that subtly signals internal concern. As the filmer reflects on the officer's earlier confidence and laughter, now contrasted by formal scrutiny, ending the story with a clear message that while the phone was taken, the footage endured and accountability has only just begun.